In this video I will show you video quality test on the Redmi 14C. So I'm gonna play this video on the Full HD because when you go for the 2K or 4K we will get lags. So if you want to know how this display of Redmi 14C perform, so let's take a look. It's on the Full HD right now. I just set this manually and now let's play. I'm gonna also turn off the lights just to show you how good quality of the display is. Also the quick brightness checkout, as you can see it's actually on the maximum brightness level. Okay, so as you can see, that's how it actually looks on the Redmi 14C. Thanks for watching.